Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is The Eternal Experience. Wait, that's not my name. My name's Jaime. I am The Eternal Experience, though. The other day, I was gonna go out. I was gonna go out to get some groceries. Like normal human being shit that you do. And I was gonna wear my favorite shirt. I love this shirt. I love it so much that I bought two of them. I bought one to keep nice and wear it, when I go out and whatever. And then I bought another one so I could use during the gym and sweat it out all nasty and whatever. And then COVID happened. So the shirt was new. I basically barely used it at the gym at all. And I was gonna put it on and I noticed it had some fucking bleach spots on it. My favorite shirt ruined. I lost my shit, and I fucking threw my shirt. I got rid of my shirt. I was so angry, right? And then I was like, whatever, I have two. I will just use the other one, right? But in the back of my mind, I was like, yo, you just fucking lost a shirt that you love. By the way, the shirt is amazing, and I'm gonna show it right here. It is The Comedian by Zamfoti's art on Instagram and Facebook. I'm gonna leave a link in the description just in case you wanna support Zamfoti's art, which I would greatly appreciate. He's a great human being, great guy, and a great friend. But his art is dope. I really love his art, and I love that he's now putting them on shirts so that people can actually buy them. And I wear this shirt proudly. I love it. That's why I made a whole video based around it. So I was kind of looking back, and I was like, damn, I wish I could do something about that shirt, And then I was like, fucking add more bleach. The only way that I could save this shirt if I do some sort of tie-dye. Obviously, the shirt is black, so it's not gonna be good at all. So I was like, the shirt does have bleach spots on it, so let's add more bleach to it. And that's what I did. I was gonna bleach dye it, and I'm gonna show you right now. So see, this is the one I use for the gym, but you can see someone splashed bleach on it, and I do not like that at all. I never do, because that looks disgusting to me. Because nobody is gonna be able to tell that's bleach or if I'm just fucking using a dirty shirt. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do. You need to go outside because this shit is toxic. Obviously, it's fucking bleach. We got your fucking shirt right here. Bleach. You got a plate that you're never gonna use for food again because you're gonna put bleach on it. And we got a bottle. A squeeze bottle like this. You need to have this because you need to control the bleach as much as possible. In fact, this is not even recommended. This is the only one I have. But it would be better if you had like a ketchup bottle, with the tip. That way you can really control it. But this is fine. And I have rubber bands. So usually when it comes to tie-dyeing, I usually like to go with the spiral because it's honestly the best effect in tie-dye. There are other cool effects that you can do, but nothing is as cool as the spiral. So what I usually do is you want to grab the center of your spiral, the eye of the storm kind of deal. You get to choose that spot. I usually go with the middle. So I'm gonna grab him by the nose, and then you do this shit. And you keep doing that until you have a cinnamon bun. So something like that. But obviously you need to tie it up first, which I'm gonna do right now. For what I'm trying to do here, I only need 4 rubber bands. If this was normal tie-dye, I would need more depending on what I want to do for the spiral. Because think about this as a pizza. Each slice usually it's a different color. That way when you open it up, it all blends in real nice. But this is not normal tie-dye. This is bleach dye, what they call it. In reality, you're not even dyeing anything. You're just removing dye. But the way you do it with bleach dye, especially with this one that I'm doing, is you want to get the bottle and squeeze it. You skip one. You know what I'm saying? Bleach, no bleach, bleach, no bleach. That way you get the best effect. Because if you bleach it all, then you're gonna have just a really bad shirt. I'm just try to give you an example, and then I'll move on to the finished product. But you see, this is the one I'm gonna be concentrating the bleach on it. See? It doesn't matter if you get it on the one on the side a little bit, because it always happens, but make sure to concentrate it all. And as you can see, bleach is instant, so already we are getting the effect. Okay, so as you can see, we got one with bleach, no bleach, bleach, no bleach,
bleach, no bleach, bleach, no bleach.
That's how you do it. The next part is you carefully want to grab it on here, put it to the side real quick, and get that extra bleach out of here. You don't want to, fuck around. So now it's really easy. You just fucking flip it. Okay, so I just did it on the other side. And ladies and gentlemen, this is pretty much done because it is an instant reaction. Unlike tie-dye, you have to like leave it at least 24 hours minimum, but you should leave it more. That way when you wash it, you keep a lot of the dye on it. Once you're done, you just make sure to throw this away. You never eat out of that because it has bleach on it. And now it's time for the big reveal. Let's remove these bitches out and see what's up. Let's see what's up with this one. I have high hopes that this one will turn out better than the Star Wars one, because I did put a little bit more effort in it. But if I learned something about tie-dye, is you can get the technique down, but it is always a unique piece. You will never really know what you get until you get it. And that's why I like it. It's really good. Oh, and I can already tell this one's gonna be dope. So let's do the big reveal. And sure enough, it looks fucking amazing. It looks way better than the Star Wars one. Wow. It looks fucking good. And if we flip it, you can kind of see the spiral. Hold on. Boom. You can see the spiral. That is amazing. I love this one. This one turned out so good, so good, so good. All you need to do after this is wash it to get the excess bleach, and then we will see, because I'm going to wash it right now, then we will see the true final result. Welcome back. So, yeah, I just washed this. So, as you can see, this is the final product. And it looks dope as fuck, honestly. Like, look at it. It has the spiral on the back. Look how nice that is, honestly. Like, for a shirt that was basically dead to me, because I wasn't gonna ever use it again, I can now wear this again. And it looks awesome, to be honest. So, if you want to try this experiment out, and you might want to use the same shirt because it's a dope shirt, look, it even has the signature on the sleeve, bro. Like, come on, man. If you want to get that shirt, link in the description. If you want to get one of these shirts, the Eternal Experience shirts, you can also go into the description and find a link and maybe purchase it. Or not. I appreciate you anyways. So this has been Jaime, the Eternal Experience. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial kind of thing I did here. I'm thinking about making more videos, so if you enjoy this type of content, I might do more videos. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Who knows? Let me know though. Comment below. So I'm recording this video, and I just wanted to remind you guys to please click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for... Who does this shit, bro? Like, really?
2 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good tree. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1 to the 1 to the 3. I met a bad bitch last night at the D. Let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation in hand.
Motherfucking damn, the goddamn Henny. Oh shit, my god. Oh god, what in the fuck? Oh shit, the goddamn.